Hi viewers, welcome back. Today again come up with another video, and this time you can see I sit inside the 772 Caterpillar dump truck. Its wipers are not working, so I'm going to check what's the problem to them. You can see I am operating the switch, but the wipers are still stand there. They are not moving. So check the fuse. Here is the fuse I show you. It's my, you can see this one. This is a wiper fuse from upside 1, 2, 3. So here is my, you can see this right side, this fuse. 1, 2, 3, this fuse. I checked this fuse was fused. This fuse was blown. I have replaced this fuse, but my wipers are still not working. So here's now I will free this motor. I remove the mechanical part from it and free the motor. Then I will check it. Motor is working or not. Maybe motor problem or the mechanical part is jammed. So first I free this motor from the mechanical part. Then separately I check the motor is okay or not. So you can see I have freed the motor. So you can see motor is working. So it's mean my motor is okay. My motor has no problem. Motor is a good one. It's mean my mechanical part is jammed. So I will check which part is jammed and I will free that part. Normal sir. So yes, you saw which part is has jammed. Okay. So we will clean it with WD-40 and try to clean it. So I have fixed this. You have physical link again. Fix that. Okay, you can see this is a motor is a working good one, and this physical link is also moving. This is sound. You can see heard the sound. This sound is too much sound. Okay, so it means this one is jammed here. Now it's working, so I will also clean it by the WD-40. Okay, so in this way my motor is normal spray normal clean मार जो हेल्दी ने टूटते हो तो मारा कर फोन मार normal ये लाग मार तो अंदर तक जा सके So I'm going to fix the wiper back and we'll check it. Okay, I'm going. So my problem has solved. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.